next we come to the preposition of position. ठीक है, where it is the thing or the person it is, that is preposition. Under and underneath, similar. Under and underneath is similarly used. Are used to indicate that is below or beneath. Beneath or below same होता है. Something. It is vertically. It is vertically below something. Is this clear? So, if I am talking about his dog is under the table. Table, under the table is the dog. That is vertical. Now next, he left the keys underneath the mat. He has kept the, most of the time we do this. So it is under and underneath is the same. Now below, beneath. Below के साथ we are using beneath also, means in a position lower than something. जो भी whatever it is there, it is lower than something. See, you should write below the line. Line is there, उसके नीचे आपको लिखना है. तो it is below than something, lower than something. He had wound below his knee. Below his knee. So that is indicating that means in a position which is lower than something. Your dress should be below your knee. So that is below and beneath. Coming next to the preposition of the position is over. Now next we are going to deal with over. Is used to indicate a position vertically above. Vertically above something or somebody. Like there are clouds above us. There are clouds above us. Vertically. Okay? Now next is it is used to indicate partly or completely covering. Partly or completely covering the surface of something. Alright. So see the example. They held a large umbrella over her. So partly or completely covering the surface. Next you can see there were books all over the table. All over the table. Sorry, I am dealing with the over. In between I gave you the example of above. I am dealing with over. Is this clear? Now next is above. Used to indicate a position higher than something. Higher than something. Above देख लो. There are clouds above us. There are clouds above us. हमसे थोड़ा सा ऊपर, in higher in position. Next, the river is flowing above the danger mark. Marks are given. उसके ऊपर the river is flowing. Next, we are coming to the travel and movement. Again, it is very important when you are dealing with the prepositions. Errors and omissions में बहुत काम आता है बेटा. So you have to write the notes every time. Travel and movement में सबसे पहले across. From here to here. ये होता है across. ठीक है? He walked across the road. Not like this. Across. Alright? So across the road, he swam across the river. ठीक है? So next it is across is used to indicate movement from one side of a space, area, line to the other side. यहाँ से यहाँ. That is across. Next is along. Always remember it is specifying something in a line. We are walking along a line. Say suppose a space, wall. If you are walking along it is indicating that it is like a line. So another used to indicate from one end to the another end of something. From one side, one end of the wall to the other side. The place is seen as a line. It is seen as a line. The cat is walking along the wall. So it is along. Now next it is into. Very very important. In भी inside है, into भी inside है, but in we are talking about something static, rest, जो movement नहीं होता है. But into में movement है and movement inward है. Movement कहाँ है? Inward है. See, I have drawn. Say suppose this is a bridge and a boy is jumping. So his direction is inward and he is in movement. तो उसका जो movement है वो inward है, इसलिए we use into. Alright. So for an example, take a glass and jug of water and then pour the water. Pour the water in the glass. That will indicate that you are pouring water into the glass. So the movement from the jug of the water is inward. So likewise, you can understand the use of into. He jumped into the river. Now onto, इसमें भी movement है. It is we are discussing about the movement. Here also it is movement. Movement into a position on an object or surface. Surface के ऊपर jump करना और movement में लाना. For an example, the cat jumped onto the table. तो किसका surface है? Table का surface है. And movement है from below to up. इसलिए on. The cat jumped onto the table. Now, if we are talking about the next thing, it is through. Through is used to indicate movement from one end of an opening. जैसे tunnel. Tunnel का एक opening है, then we cross, and then the opening is there, other end also. So, it is talking the train passed through a tunnel. The train passed through a tunnel. So that is talking about through. Next is on, in, by. ये बहुत जरूरी होता है बेटा when we are talking about on, in and by. ये it is used for the public or private transport. Public or private transport. Now here I want to draw your attention regarding on. Vehicle के लिए कभी भी use करोगे तो यही use करोगे on, in, by. But on it is indicating the surface. It is indicating the surface. Next it is in. Vehicle seen as volume inside. Then by, to indicate the means of travel. The means of travel. Now here vehicle is seen as surface. On car, on bicycle, on horseback. Next is in. She is in the ship. Likewise. Now next is to by is used to indicate the means. I have come by car. I have come by car. So all these things when you are relating to the means of travel and movement, this is very important to keep in mind. Travel के लिए in, on, by तीनों use होता है. You can use for cycle, bicycle, on bicycle, ऐसा करके you can use it. So this is the, now I am completing with the prepositions. If you have any doubt, please ask. So happy learning, children.